So if you want to know about the retromandibular vein, it is nothing but a vein which is formed inside the parotid gland by the union of two veins which corresponds to the terminal branch arteries of the external carotid artery. Okay, so which are the terminal branches of external carotid artery? They are nothing but superficial temporal and maxillary. So the corresponding veins, superficial temporal and maxillary vein, join together to form a vein behind the mandible. So a vein behind the mandible is known as retromandibular vein. Okay, so that retromandibular vein will come out from the parotid gland, and near the apex it will again get divided into an anterior division and a posterior division. So this is how the retromandibular vein is formed and what is its relation with the parotid gland. So it is related to nothing but with the apex. So from the apex, two divisions of retromandibular vein.